This summer, get out and enjoy the great outdoors with a road trip in the family camper. But before you saddle up, make sure your rig is clean both inside and out with Wet and Forget. During the off-season, your camper's exterior may have taken a beating from the elements. With the Wet and Forget Rapid Application Hose End product, you can quickly clean the entire vehicle. It sprays up to 30 feet so you can easily reach the roof. And one bottle covers up to 2,000 square feet. Plenty for even the largest campers. Plus, now there's a new refill bottle for the hose end applicator. You can also use a pump-up sprayer for more precise cleaning like treating outdoor furniture. The sprayer makes it easy to navigate around hard-to-reach areas. Unlike commercial cleaners, which can cause some rubber to crack, Wet and Forget's bleach-free solution is safe and gentle. Rubber, fiberglass, metal, vinyl, and acrylic are all out of harm's way with Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaning Spray. Your camper is your home away from home, so keep it clean with Wet and Forget Indoor. In the kitchen, it cleans through tough grease and grime. In the bath, it inhibits mold and mildew growth. Best of all, Wet and Forget Indoor kills 99.9% of all bacteria and viruses. If your camper has a shower, take some Wet and Forget shower spray on your next road trip. Just spray today and rinse tomorrow. If you don't want eight-legged creatures along for the ride, Miss Muffet's Revenge creates an invisible border that keeps spiders out for up to 12 months. Wet and Forget products are there for you so you can spend more time planning for your trip than cleaning your rig.